Hello and welcome to eInkPads Splash version 1.2.4. You notice the first screen here, you're presented with the connect screen. There's three fields. The top screen field has 10.11.99.1 in it, which is basically your IP address found on your tablet. And then the second one is your username. It's always going to be a lowercase root. Your password is found on your tablet, the same place where you find the IP address when you're connected to your USB cord. You can find this by going into your settings on your tablet under General, Help, About, and then Copyrights and Licensing. There's going to be a little field on the right. This could change on future versions of Remarkable. It could be located in another place, but they will always have your IP address and your password listed on the same screen. So go ahead and if you go ahead and hit Go Connect, it's going to connect to your tablet via FTP, File Transfer Protocol, a standard protocol. If I hit Go Connect, it will actually connect, and then you're presented with the list of screens here. These screens are the ones that ship with your device. You notice you have a power off image here, PNG image. This is the image that shows up when your tablet is turned off. If I want to change this, I can click this little edit button. You see the one, I actually have a custom one in here in its place now. So if I want to change this, I go ahead and hit the upload button, find the screen that I want to replace it with. Let's go ahead and find the tree. Let's get the tree one. Even though this is a startup one, let's go ahead and use that one. And it's going to have the tree one there. So whenever I turn off my tablet and hold down the power button, it's going to be presented with this tree view. So what's cool about this feature is, let's say you want to put your logo here. Let's say you want to put your address here. So if you're at the coffee shop and you leave it behind, somebody can contact you and say, hey, you lost your Remarkable tablet. I know that probably won't ever happen. They'll probably keep it. But anyway, if it does, if an angel finds your Remarkable in the coffee shop and returns it, you can do that. So let's go ahead and hit done. These are other buttons here. These are the trash can icon will actually remove it off your tablet, but I don't suggest you actually removing these, because let's say you make a mistake and delete one of these default ones that that ship with your tablet, you're out of luck. Although you can reach out to us if you ever delete any of these particular screens. We do have all of them backed up, and we can actually, our support team can send that to you. Please don't abuse us. So always keep a backup of these. Never delete them. But if you're stuck and you need our help, we're happy to help. So notice that all these screens, this particular icon, if I click that, it will try to restore it back to normal. That's only if you use Splash or any of our apps to install these screens. If you're using this custom way, this button won't work. So whenever you make changes to your tablet using our apps, we actually store a cache of all of your changes on your computer. So you could always go back to it if something happens, or if you find something on your tablet, something doesn't look like right, it's 90% of the time we can fix it. So go ahead and hit done, and then you're actually back to connect. So these are all the features here that Splash pretty much offers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email at support@einkpads.com. Or you can always get a hold of us on our website at the chat. We always have a live chat running. Feel free to ask any questions 24 hours a day. If we're not available, feel free to leave a message, and one of our representatives will get back to you as soon as we can. We are in the office from 9 to 5 Mountain Standard Time. But if you're outside of those hours, because we have clients all over the world, feel free to just send an email. We may not get back to you right away, but usually within 24 hours we answer your question. Thank you so much for being a part of eInkPads, and we're happy that you're using our product, and we'll see you soon.